Welcome back to the channel, guys. Let's jump into this week's video.
Okay, great. Welcome back, everyone. I wanted to give you an update of current events, what's going on. As you probably have heard, there's some type of energy weapon attack at the White House. We don't know where it's coming from. Nobody really knows. It could be this country, that country. I just want to put out there a theory that these drones, these UFO drones, okay? When I speak of drones, I'm always talking about UFO drones. I'm never talking about Earth drones. So these drones, these dragons, they do, in my opinion, they do run on extremely high voltage, and highly likely they give off gamma radiation, microwave energy. So if these things, you can be sure they're flying around military bases or the White House. If you accidentally pick up some of their energy, their gamma rays, it's going to be interpreted as an energy weapon. I just want to put that out there. I'm pretty sure in my theory I'm probably 100% correct. You tell me what you think. Let's go to the next. Okay, great. Hi, want to speak to this, as you probably know, Navy destroyers off the coast of Los Angeles, about 75 miles. For the last year, maybe 2 years, they're being harassed by drones, as you've heard. Again, I'm speaking of UFO drones. I'm pretty sure nobody's going to travel 70, 80 miles out with an Earth drone and fly around Navy ships. That's really ridiculous. So these drones, I'm bringing it up because, wow, what a coincidence that 75 miles away, 75 miles from Marina del Rey, Los Angeles, the Navy is being harassed, is being swarmed by these drones. Maybe 1 and 1 is 2 here. You tell me what you think. Okay, great. April 1, image 002. This is law enforcement, black and white helicopter, police department. Coming in, looking for this drone, obviously gets tagged. That's the interpolation. I want to speak to a couple of interpolations. Even though I said 98% of all these choppers chasing these drones are gone, they are gone. I'm living off the 2% here. I'm still recording. I'm still getting video. They're making it hard, but I want to give you this best quality video. Here we go right here. This is a paracel getting tagged, but this is a real bird. Just want to keep you in the loop. I know what birds, bugs look like. This is not a drone. However, this one is, with the paracel, got tagged by 2 drones. The one on the top, one on the bottom here, simultaneously tagged. They do that sometimes. Remember, anything that flies gets tagged. It doesn't matter. You could be a jet, a helicopter, a balloon, a paracel. Everybody gets tagged because their assumption is nobody is safe. You got to get recon. You got to get ascertained if you're a threat or not. So that's what's going on here. That's why these paracels, again, April 1st. And by the way, this is not no April Fool's thing. I don't joke around like that. However, I do think there's a small possibility the AI on these drones do know about April 1st, our human tradition. Maybe they're trying to put a smile on our face, but these interpolations are extremely real, as you may know by now. Let's go to the next interpolation. Here we go, 3 years ago. I just came across this. I was impressed then, I'm impressed now. The interpolation, the silver and blue chopper, that's the LAPD. That's their old color. Yeah, look at that. Look at the dragon, the drone, right there on the side of the engine. You're gonna have to enlarge it. It blends right in. Extremely impressive. It's so close to the engine that it's almost impossible to see. So you're gonna have to enlarge it and look. But yeah, that's how close they come. It doesn't matter. The rotor blades offer no threat whatsoever to them. Same speed, 60 frames per second, 4K, no sonic boom. This is what's happening every day. And here we go. I captured this about 3 years ago. Somebody let some balloons off at the beach. I recorded it knowing there was a good possibility it would get tagged, and it did get tagged. That's almost 80% certainty. Anyone can take balloons, release it, have your friend record it. Yeah, again, this is what's going on. I know it's impossible. If you're watching this for the first time, I know you're saying this is impossible. This guy's just cannot be happening. It's all very real. I'm still trying to keep myself anonymous because it's not about me. It's about these drones, right? In this one right here, the ABC News chopper getting tagged. Why am I showing you this? Because, well, all the news choppers get tagged. But something strange, earlier back in a couple weeks ago, I came home, the ABC News van was parked out front. They were doing a local story. I waited for them to finish, and I gave them the 411. I said, look, there are drones flying around here. They're uncatchable. And here's a picture of your ABC News chopper getting tagged by the drone. So I did put that picture in their hand. They do know about it. Whether they ignore it or look into it, we don't know. But I'm just keeping you updated. Please remember to subscribe, comment, like, and stay safe. And talk to you later.